Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Dapper wallet account step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Dapper wallet website. Log into your Dapper wallet account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the option labeled Account Management or similar. Click on that option to access your account details. Scroll down to find the section related to account cancellation. Carefully read any information provided about the cancellation process. If you are certain about canceling, click on the Cancel Account button. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen. You may be asked to provide a reason for your cancellation. Complete any required fields to continue the process. Review any terms and conditions regarding your account cancellation. After confirming everything, click on the Final Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message that your account has been cancelled. Check your email for a confirmation message from Dapper Wallet. Be sure to save that email for your records. Once you receive the confirmation, your account will be fully cancelled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.